Curly hair can sometimes feel like a blessing and a curse. It can be unruly and hard to tame, but it also gives you a unique and versatile look. The real advantage of having curls is the natural volume it creates in your hair without having to add styling products or much effort. The best hairstyles for men with curly hair can vary depending on the length and texture of the curls, but some popular options include Messy Fringe. A messy fringe hairstyle for men is a popular and stylish look that can be achieved with the right haircut and styling techniques. Here are some steps and tips to achieve this look. For most men, a medium-length cut works best for a messy fringe. Aim for about 3 to 5 inches of hair at the front, gradually tapering it towards the back and sides. Before styling, it's important to make sure your hair is clean and damp. You can use a sea salt spray as a pre-styler to create natural waves and texture. Remember, the key to a great messy fringe is to embrace the natural texture of your hair and not to strive for perfection.
Perfect.
Perfect for what?
The look should be laid back and effortless. Modern Mullet. The modern mullet is a contemporary take on the classic mullet hairstyle, characterized by shorter hair at the front and sides of the head with a longer section at the back. The modern version is less severe than the traditional versions from the 80s and 90s, with longer sides and less of a graduation from short to long hair. It relies more on styling to play it up. Use a styling product like a sea salt spray or a texture dust to create volume and texture. Finish the style by making the top messy to add dimension and shape. Low taper fade. The low taper fade is a versatile and stylish haircut that works exceptionally well with curly hair. It's a low-maintenance option that allows you to create a unique look by combining your curls with high, mid, or low fades, depending on the effect you want to achieve. To pull off a low taper fade with curly hair, it's important to keep the top layer of your hair longer than the bottom layer to create the illusion of a fade while still showcasing your natural curls. The transition from the top of your head to the sides and back should be smooth, helping to control frizz and allowing your curl pattern to stand out. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button for more videos.